Hey, so today I'm going to be talking about keyframes. Please keep in mind that even though you'll find really useful information here, this is more my journey of exploration of the Blender API than a tutorial. Okay, so let's pretend you want to animate or move an object through scripting, whether it's to save time in a specific project or for your next add-on. The very first thing you'll need to do is to know how to set keys for that. It's actually a very simple process. So first, in a Python file, we'll import bpy. This is the module that contains the information we need. Now we'll create a variable, and I'll name it moving because it's going to move our object. This variable is going to take the information from the bpy module related to the actual context of our Blender environment, and more specifically, the context of the object that is actually selected. Now that we have that object, we can play with it. So we'll call a function called keyFrameInsert, and we'll give it the data path of the information we want to change. In this case, the object location. We'll also provide the frame in which we want to place the key and the axis in the form of an index, being x axis number 0, y axis number 1, and z axis number 2. We'll move our object in the z axis. Now if we execute the code with Alt P, we'll find that a key is created. We can just delete it. Next part is to move the object, and we do it by telling the location property of the object with the index number 2, that means the z-axis, to have a new value. We'll change it to 3, which means it's going to move in this case from 0, that is its actual position, to 3 meters in the z-axis. And we'll repeat our first operation, this time changing our frame number. So if we execute our code and play the animation, we'll find that the object moves as expected. Now if we want this action to repeat several times with different values, we can do it with some other Python functions, but that's beyond the scope of this video. It would be great if you like this video and subscribe in case you found this information useful so I can soundproof my room and improve the quality of the content. Thank you, and see you next time.